welcome back. This purpose of this video is to do an unboxing. Yeah, I got some stuff today. Okay, so now that I'm doing that, we're gonna take my handy dandy knife and we're gonna open it. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed, so okay, so here's the first item. And from what I'm reading on it, it's a video camcorder, obviously, digital camera, HD, 16 times digital zoom, anti-shake, and megapixel. I don't know what any of that means, but I'm pretty sure it means something. So, and on the back, it's got like the different languages and stuff on it, I guess. Sorry if you can't see that. Specifications, sensor, memory media, SD card, well, that's what it takes. Image resolution, it takes JPEG and VGA, and zoom 16 times, I guess. LED light, and it's got self-time mode, USB port, auto power off and on, microphone, speaker, monitor, TV output, power source, Li-ion battery. There you go. That's basically what it has. And that doesn't really tell me much though. So what we're going to do is we're going to open it. Oh god. Okay, first thing is the TV output. Okay, so here's the handy dandy little camera. And it says it's an HD. I haven't quite tested it yet, but when I do, I will let you know as to whether or not it really is. But it flips out. And then does that number. So the screen is facing towards you. It's like easier to do when you're trying to film yourself, I guess. Never really thought to do that, but anyway, it's got button. It's got two buttons on the inside. One is the power button. One is the DISP or something, whatever. Then on this one, it's got mode and menu. This one's got OK buttons and then arrow button, like on the back. Then the very thing where it plugs in. Sorry, this is really bad lighting. I didn't really think about this when I was planning on doing the video, because I was spending the day with my best friend, so I didn't really get a chance to do any videos. On the top here is the camera or the recording part. Like at the top, it's like a little switch. And from what I understand, that's what it does. Anyway, here's the lens. And then it's got the little thingy that you plug in the charger to. little bag comes with it. The charger part of the camera. And it's got the user manual, which looks like it has Japanese on it as well. Or Chinese, or don't quote me on that, whatever. Because I know next to nothing about Japanese or Chinese or any of the above. So, it's got every little thing in there that you could imagine that you would need for this camera. So, I hope to start filming with this soon. I still haven't quite figured out what's wrong with my computer yet, so I may not be able to actually upload it. So I may just stick with my phone for the time being. And until then, that's basically what will happen. So that was my unboxing video. I have another package coming soon, so if you want me to do another video on that one, please let me know, and I will see you guys next time.